Okay, today is January 4th, and this is the of the river right in front of the house. After the water went down and shit. Okay, on and left the ice where it's foggy because it's been raining all morning, but if you look right below, this is glare, and this slate turned over bench that washed over here when it flooded, and this is my foot that just slipped on this very shiny ice coated. Let's see what else. Oh, as I pan this way, you can see the bandstand. Ice, 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 ice. And if you look over there by that blue shed, that's solid ice from here to there. And it will bust your booty. But that looks really cool. It looks like tape crystals, shell. It's pretty cool. Okay then. Thanks for shopping at the Grand River. Bye-bye.